It's so man Disney. Oh man Disney.
It's all cooked together.
I don't think
Teppan Edo.
How do you say it?
Teppan Edo.
That's not how you say it.
How do you say it?
Let's see if it's good. I call it yum yum place.
Can we start with the wafu ribs?
Wafu lips, sure.
And then I would like the combination of the Asakusa premium.
Asakusa premium, the Wagyu steak and shrimp.
I want to be your the combination of the filet and chicken. Now, his plate for the Wagyu plate. Did you get a good plate like that?
What?
Did you get the Wagyu plate?
I don't have any special plate.
Here's the salad.
Salad dressing.
There's salad with dressing. Things that don't make the cut.
Let's see how many folds are in.
That salad was good. They don't look like they're thrown on the grill for barbecue.
I don't know. Very tender. Interesting taste. Not sure I've experienced that taste before. It's good. The strength of this is the tenderness.
It's tender. It's like a soy.
Yeah.
Soy type. We got 4 people testing these ribs out. It's soy, right? Or something like that? Yeah. That's pretty good. Hello!
Oh my god! Do like some reactions so we don't have to react.
Now we're going to do reaction. You ready? Wow!
Do you want to build a snowman? It's our last
Whoa! Whoa! He's right. He's like, yeah, I'll get it. You do it right, Asher?
Do you cook like this at home?
Good. Good. Fresh, right off the grill.
I didn't hear what you asked. 9 out is my favorite noodle.
9 out of 10.
10 out of 10?
9.
9 out of 10? That's fantastic. I'm gonna go higher than you. I'm gonna go 9.5 out of 10.
There you go. Whoa.
They're really good.
Really good? What are you doing? Asher doesn't like it. Which one's yours? That looks delicious.
Trying the chicken.
Trying the chicken.
Hot. Hot. Hot.
Good chicken.
What's chicken? It's hot.
Tastes like chicken.
Like hot.
Ginger sauce is amazing. Right?
Really good. Both of them are really good.
Go with ginger.
That's
Yummy.
your favorite, the ginger one?
Oh, no. Oh.
Good job.
There it is!
Yeah, see?
There you go.
Shrimp.
So good.
So good. Yeah.
Steak. Boy, they get filet. It's tender. Just cooked. Right off the grill. Good. I think it's 7, 6.5, 6. I don't know. Let me keep eating. I'm trying. It's gonna be hot. Steel. Wagyu, right?
Yep. Yeah.
Yeah.
I mean, it's not bad.
And play tender and stuff. Let's check in on the gang. What do you guys think?
Pizza next time?
Pizza next time. Didn't like it, dude?
Strawberry picture under this.
Ryan?
It's pretty good.
Delicious.
Mine's phenomenal. I don't really know about
Did you got Wagyu beef?
it. It's like each bite is better than the last.
I was gonna do an update.
Oh god.
Everything's still good. I think my problem with just hibachi in general is I like the noodles. I think the noodles are a star for me. And the steak's good, but I like the seasoned steak. Whereas that, yeah, you got the Wagyu. Ah, you tripped on me. You think, Albert?
I mean, I guess because I got Wagyu, it just trumps everything.
I stole another piece of the Wagyu beef.
I don't blame you. Last piece of Wagyu.
All right, what'd you think?
I loved it. But
Recommend it?
I got Wagyu, so you can't go wrong,
I
really.
think it's good if you want an experience cooking on a table, all that. Now,
It is really more for the experience.
There's so many different restaurants in Epcot I'd probably pick over it. Le Cellier,
Well, I mean, you know.
the Italian place.
The
pizza.
I mean, everything's good here.
Oh yeah, everything's good. It's recommended.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's recommended.
I would go again.
I'd give it like a 6.5
I'd give it a 7.5. But again, I got the Wagyu, so.
out of 10. This has been, what's our channel name?
Oh man,
Oh man,
Oh
Disney.
man, Disney.